Okay, I'm going to make this really super quick. I needed to get some smoke alarms, and here's a smoke alarm that I'd like to use right here. See here, worry-free. This I really like it. 10-year life battery backup. It's a lithium battery. It's also hardwired. I went down to my local Home Depot. I'm still on Maui, and guess what? They didn't have these. They don't have any of these in the store, but they have the ones with the carbon monoxide ones, but this is just the smoke alarm. And all I needed was a smoke alarm. I didn't need the one with the carbon monoxide one too, because that was like $30 more. And so I went online to Mr. Home Depot, my favorite store. And this is what kind of irked me about that. And you know, hey, I'll always go to Home Depot, okay? I'm just giving you some thoughts and ideas when they don't have something in stock. I even went to the front desk. They couldn't order them for me. And I went online. No problem. They had these online, but they wouldn't ship to Maui. I don't believe that. I couldn't believe it. I needed to get lots of those. And so they wouldn't do it. So I had to have them shipped. What did I do? I shipped them to California, and I had a friend of mine. He boxed them all up. And then he shipped them to me. I had to pay extra shipping for it. And I got it like in a week and a half. Okay? And that's how I did it. So sometimes you have to do things unorthodox. Think out of the box. Now here's something else. Here's something else. Let's see what we got in this box. Let's see what we got in this box here. I've been putting lots of these in. Okay, this is a privacy schleg. And it's a privacy lock. I really like this paddle style. Went to my favorite Home Depot store in Maui, and they didn't have any in stock because I had bought them out about over 4 weeks ago. I bought 28 of these. These are like $30 each. I bought 28 of them, bought out the store. Told them that they needed to order some more. They said, okay, we'll let you know. 4 to 6 weeks it was gonna take them. No joke, 4 to 6 weeks. To get these. I even went back after 4.5 weeks, almost 5 weeks later, and boom, they still didn't have them. They said they could check on a neighboring island and see, oh, and the neighboring island only had 12 in stock. And they could have done a special order for me, 4 more weeks to do a special order. Nothing doing. Where did I go? I went online to Amazon. Amazon sells these too. Did you know that? For almost the same price as Home Depot. And before that, I went to Lowe's. Guess what? Lowe's didn't have them in stock either. They told me the same thing, 4 to 6 weeks. They said they had 4 in stock. They didn't have any in stock, and they were like $1 more than Home Depot. And I couldn't get them there. So I thought, oh shoot, what do? Went to Amazon, found these on Amazon, had them shipped out here, free shipping over $45 for this particular one. They did ship to Maui. And guess how long it took me to get these? About 5 days. So guess what? Next time, sorry Home Depot, next time I need these, guess where I'm going? I'm going to Amazon.com, and I'm gonna get them from there. Anytime I'm on Maui, I need to get these. I'm not going to drive all the way to the other side of the island to go get these at Home Depot, my favorite hardware store. I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm going to go to Amazon. They have these all day long. And, you know, you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, maybe they only have 5 or 6 in stock or whatever, okay? I can go to, I went there to Amazon, and they had 50 in stock. I needed 20 of them, so I got 20. There's 5 there, and I've got the other 15 coming, okay? So next time you want to think about something, think about getting stuff on Amazon.com. Lots of times they'll send you stuff, free shipping. It just depends kind of what you get. I also the funny other little thing, I got these timers. See these timers? This is for an air conditioner. These are 4-hour timers, and they had them in Maui. This was a couple years ago. Cracked me up. I had to go to a special place because Home Depot, my favorite hardware store, did not have those. Lowe's did not have those. Ace did not have those. Sears did not have those. I had to go to a special place in Kailui on the other side of the island, and they had 2 in stock. I needed 4. They had to order them for me. It was going to take 2 weeks to get. $45 shipping cost, and they cost like $40 each. and I had to drive all the way back over there to get them. And guess what? I decided, hey, maybe they have those on Amazon. I went over to Amazon, boom, they had them in stock, boom, they were $28. I ordered like 15 or 20 of them, boom, free shipping, boom. I got them all installed, and I went just like this. This is a 4-hour timer. It throws power from here over to the air conditioner plug. You turn the timer on. It's like an egg beater timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and it just counts down, and that throws power over to there. So guess what? Every time I need those, I go to Amazon.com. Anytime I need some handles, I'm going to Amazon.com. And I ended up getting something else from Amazon, and it was unbelievable. It's so many things that they have nowadays. Now, you know, granted, I went to Amazon.com to try to get these smoke alarms. They did not have this style. Kind of upset me. Sorry, Amazon.com. I couldn't get those from you. I got those online at Home Depot online. And so, you know, let your fingers do the walking. Check certain things out. Don't just take no for an answer or special order them at your local hardware store. Check things out and do it. Hey, next time you need an answer to your hardware question, your how-to project around the house that you didn't know that you could do yourself, send me a line. Maybe I can help you. Well, that's all I got for this time. I'll see you on the next video. It's time to install some door handles.